Welcome, curious minds, to the arena of nutritional exploration. Today, we're unraveling the spinach enigma, cooked or raw. Prepare to have your taste buds tickled and your knowledge stretched as we navigate the health benefits, potential downsides, and the grand showdown of culinary choices. Spinach is a true champion in the world of nutrition, packing a punch of vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds. Here's the lowdown on spinach's nutritional superpowers. Vitamin A. Spinach flexes its carotenoid muscles, transforming into vitamin A to keep your peepers and body in tip-top shape. It is essential for vision, immunity, and cell growth. Vitamin C. This antioxidant superhero fights off villains while giving your skin a radiant glow and boosting your immune system. It is also important for wound healing and collagen production. Vitamin K1. The blood clotting champ. A cup of cooked spinach is a mic drop moment, giving you all your daily K1 needs. Vitamin K is vital for blood clotting, bone, and heart health. Folate, vitamin B9. The VIP for expecting moms while also being the backstage crew for everyday cell antics and tissue growth. Folate is essential for preventing birth defects, DNA synthesis, and cell division. Iron. Spinach's secret weapon for making oxygen-carrying hemoglobin, turning your body into an oxygen delivery dance party. Iron is important for carrying oxygen throughout the body, and it is also important for energy production. Calcium. The bone guardian and a secret agent signaling molecule for your nerves, heart, and muscles. Mission: keep everything running smoothly. Calcium is vital for bone health, and it is also essential for muscle contraction, nerve function, and blood clotting. But wait, there's more. Spinach's nutritional entourage includes potassium, magnesium, a trio of B vitamins, B6, B7, and the enigmatic vitamin E. It's like a party of goodness in every leafy bite. Hold on to your spinach leaves because this veggie is armed with some seriously cool plant compounds. Lutein, the eye's best friend. It's like spinach saying, "I've got your back, peepers." Lutein is essential for eye health and can help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Kaempferol, the antioxidant hero that swoops in to lower your risk of the bad guys, cancer and chronic diseases. Kaempferol is an antioxidant that can help to protect cells from damage. Nitrates. Spinach goes all heart healthy, showing off its high nitrate content and making hearts go thump-thump with joy everywhere. Nitrates are converted to nitric oxide in the body, which has beneficial effects on blood pressure and heart health. Quercetin, the infection and inflammation bouncer, keeping the party in your body calm and collected. Quercetin is an antioxidant that can help to reduce inflammation and fight infection. Zeaxanthin, lutein's trusty sidekick, joining forces to bring a double dose of eye health magic. Zeaxanthin is another essential antioxidant for eye health. Now, let's talk about the potential flip side of spinach's awesomeness. While it's generally a health rock star, a few caution signs pop up. Kidney stones. Picture this: calcium and oxalates teaming up to create kidney stones. Spinach brings both to the table, so if you're a kidney stone magnet, consider giving your spinach intake a little check. Blood clotting. Vitamin K1, the blood's choreographer, is abundant in spinach. But hold on if you're in the blood-thinning squad, like those on warfarin. Spinach can do a little dance with your medication. Play it safe and chat with your healthcare whiz before going on a spinach binge. Let's dig into the spinach showdown, cooked versus raw. Raw spinach boasts a vitamin C and K punch that's hard to beat. But wait, it's also packing more oxalates, like mineral magnets, that can mess with calcium and iron absorption. Enter cooked spinach, with its bonus of beta-carotene and lutein, antioxidants that swoop in to shield your cells from trouble. Oh, and the best part? Cooking spinach transforms it into a nutrient-friendly dance party. It breaks down that tricky oxalic acid, giving your tummy a more leisurely time absorbing all the good stuff. It's like spinach saying, "Hey, let's make this nutritious fiesta even better." But there's a twist. We're about to unveil the ultimate verdict on whether cooking or keeping it raw rules the nutritional roost. So, what's the grand verdict? After careful consideration, there is no clear winner in the cooked versus raw spinach debate. Both have their own nutritional advantages and disadvantages. Ultimately, the best way to eat spinach is how you enjoy it the most. If you like the taste of raw spinach, go for it. Just be sure to limit your intake if you are prone to kidney stones. If you prefer cooked spinach, steam or sauté it lightly to preserve its nutrients. Here are some golden tips to maximize your spinach experience. Give your spinach a thorough wash to bid adieu to dirt and bacteria. Chop raw spinach into bite-sized bits or let it tear naturally. Your tummy will thank you for the digestion boost. If you're taking the cooking route, steam or sauté your spinach until it's all wilted and wonderful. The nutrients will be grateful for the TLC. Spinach, meet the party. Smoothies, salads, soups, and every dish imaginable. Mixing it up is like giving your taste buds a delightful spinach surprise. Ready to rock the spinach game? These tips will have you doing the leafy victory dance. Before we part ways, here is a friendly reminder: like, subscribe, and don't forget to give that notification bell a little tap. And above all, here's to your health, may it bloom like a well-nurtured garden. Stay healthy, my friends.